Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil using trend channels to identify the day trading trend. And it is a continuous video presentation. Yesterday we had drawn few trend channels, and let's see the performance first, and then we will try to draw few more trend channels. So this is a if you want to know how we had drawn these trend channels, please go back to our yesterday's video presentation and see that. So this is the performance update. You could see right after the price opening yesterday the market came down, tried to take support around 5060, and you could see our trend line marginally it's providing support and showing that the market is still on the buying. So but finally you could say, apart from this breakdown, you could see the price constantly maintained this lower band of support and tried to move up, but we could see the high is constantly decreasing. To certain extent we can say this midline showed some positive signs for us to help us to make a decision, but not we can say that it, let's go back and see the second trend channel. So this is the second trend channel. Now it looks like this trend channel had worked perfectly. So right after the opening the price came down, and you could see the price taking support, moving up, again taking support, moving up, and a breakdown resulting in a failure. So constantly you could see wonderfully the market had followed this trend channel. So that's the importance of drawing these trend channels. Now you could see that how it's acting as a horizontal support or resistance line. This is the third trend channel we had drawn, and this also had worked beautifully. You could see the price taking support, and a failure resulted in the short selling. Again the price tried to moving up, and again a failure resulted in short selling, and constantly maintaining this as a resistance, and here the market is providing support. So this is the importance of drawing and understanding this trend channel. They act as a horizontal and a very powerful support and resistance line. Now let's go back and draw a few trend channels for today to assist us to identify the trend for today. This is the first trend channel we had drawn by connecting the high. You could see the yesterday's high we had connected the high here and here, and we had drawn this trend channel expecting that the price will follow this trend. So if the price why we had drawn this, just a minute. Today the price is expected to open somewhere near 5080 in this particular zone. So in order for the market to maintain its buying, if there is any buying, it should maintain this blue line as support, and it should start moving up. Here we have this triangle zone, which means that 5060 will act as a support, and the price should break out of this blue line to show some positive buying. If that is not going to happen, then it will result in a failure. So the price is likely to follow this downtrend channel. So this is the importance of this first trend channel. Let's go back and see the next two trend channels. So this is the second trend channel we had drawn by picking up the two low that was created on the last 2 days, and also the high. So the importance of this is since we are expecting the price to open around this zone, this midline is going to play a very key role. If the midline is acting as a resistance, then you can expect that the price at some point will come and test 5060. If the price is going to break down below 5060, it's going to result in short-term selling. But if that is not happening, if the price is breaking this violet line, and if it is staying above, then it's a continuation of buying. It's a very perfect trend channel for helping us to understand the today's trend. Now let's go and see the third trend channel. This is the third trend channel we had drawn, and this is quite a creative trend channel because we have left out few things. The price actions happened at the bottom and here at the top. Again this looks more or like the previous trend channel, but we want to have more resistance on these 5080 line. So again the same thing, the price should not break this violet line to maintain some sort of selling, or it should trade above this violet line to maintain some buying. So let's see how these trend channels are going to work or help us for today's trading, and we will update the performance for tomorrow. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.